Hi everyone, it's me, Krista. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today we're going to be unboxing the January 2021 SketchBox Premium Box. Let's take a look at what we got. The artwork on the outside here is a lovely owl by Angela Olenek, and her Instagram is @BlightedAngel. This month we got a little sticker that looks like an ink jar that says SketchBox right on there. As always, we have our little brochure that shows us an example of what can be done inside. This is by Alex Garant. As a pioneer of contemporary figurative op art, she is known for her oil paintings, which offer a graphic quality combined with traditional portrait techniques. Her work has been shown in several museums across the United States, and she is represented by galleries in New York, LA, and Australia. She has been featured in publications such as High Fructose, Juxtapose, Beautiful Bazaar, and on multiple online platforms such as Vice and the Huffington Post. Alex Garant studied visual arts at Notre Dame de Foy College, graduating in 2001, and ultimately settled down in Toronto, Canada. After suffering from a heart attack in 2012, she truly committed to her passion for arts and forever changing how she would see the world. The surface we're using this month is custom for SketchBox, and it's by Magnani. It's a cotton pad. The SketchBox exclusive 10-sheet, 104 pounds cold pressed paper is perfect for wet media. Thick and absorbent, this paper makes working with acrylic ink fast and easy. Retail price for this is normally $13.48. Next we have a nice little plastic palette, which is a SketchBox signature. Use the included palette to mix the perfect colors. Remember to mix a little more than you'd expect to use. The retail price for this is $2 whole. They did provide us a brush to apply the ink with. It's a Dynasty dagger brush. It is 3/8 of an inch. Great for thin and thick lines. This brush easily creates sharp and dynamic marks, and the retail price for this is normally $11.70. The first bit of ink we have is by Holbein. It is acrylic ink in Naphthol Red and is 30 milliliters. This highly versatile ink is hyperpigmented with a very low viscosity. Try using it with a dip pen, water brush, or refillable marker. Retail price for this is normally $10.20. I really like the shade of red, and I do like how it applies. It looks like you can get a variety of techniques with it. We also have two Speedball acrylic calligraphy inks. These are 12 milliliters each. Waterproof when dry, this vivid ink is acid-free and very light fast. This month we're showcasing the Primrose Yellow and Indigo Blue colors. Try them in combination with the Scarlet Red from October for a full primary set. The retail price for these is normally $2.56 each. I love Speedball acrylic inks. They're some of my favorites, especially the sparkly ones or the metallic ones. They're great. They gave us a pencil this month. It is a Caran d'Ache Graphwood pencil in 3H, so it's going to be a really light and hard one. Great for setting down light lines and sketching out your piece before going in with ink. The retail price for this is normally $3.65. It's nice having another light pencil. Most of the ones I've been getting lately in these boxes have been on the darker or softer side, so it's great to have a lighter one again. We also got a black marker, specifically a Staedtler pigment liner in 0.3 to 2 millimeters. Light, fast, and waterproof, this calligraphy pen is great for line work and styles with variance in line weight. Retail price for this is normally $5.10. The way the tip is for this, you can definitely get a variety of line weights. It's kind of awesome. I'm pretty excited to use the items in this month's box. I really like the colors. I like the variety of inks we got. I think it'll be a lot of fun to play around with. But with that, this unboxing, swatches, and therefore this video are pretty much done. If you liked it, please hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, concerns, or you want to let me know how you felt about any of the items in this month's box, let me know all about that in the comment section down below. If you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe. I do SketchBox unboxings and projects once a month. As always, thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day or night to watch this video, listen to me ramble. I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon, and you'll definitely be hearing from me soon. Bye, everybody!